जन्मदिन है। उसका जन्म हुआ था मथुरा में। पापा का नाम था करमचंद्र जी, नाम था पुतली बाई। पढ़ने के लिए वो गए लंदन, लंदन से अफ्रीका, अफ्रीका से इंडिया, इंडिया में बहुत आंदोलन किए और इंडिया को आज़ाद किए। गांधी जी के पास 3 बंदर था। बुरा ना मानो देखो, बुरा ना मानो बोलो, बुरा ना मानो सुनो। और उसे बच्चे प्यार से बोलते थे बापूजी। जय हिंद।
Good morning everyone. My name is Sagunsri. I study in class 6C. Today on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I am going to give a speech on Mahatma Gandhi's life. It is indeed rare for someone to create as great an impact as Mahatma Gandhi did with India. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who has a honorific Mahatma added to his name, was an Indian lawyer, politician, and an anti-colonial nationalist. Furthermore, Gandhi came forward with his highly successful non-violent resistance against the British rule. Mahatma Gandhi came into this world on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar. This great personality was born in an Indian Gujarati family. Law training of this man took place in London. The making of his greatness took place in South Africa. When he came to South Africa, he had to deal with racial discrimination due to his skin color. Once, while he was traveling in a train with Europeans, he was asked to sit near the driver on the floor. Gandhi came forward with his refusal, as this was a great humiliation for him. Due to his refusal, he had to suffer with beatings. Such kind of pure racial discrimination was common in that time. When Gandhi returned to India in 1915, he became famous as a leading politician. He became a part of the Indian National Congress. In 1920, he took the leadership of the Congress. As a part of the Indian independence, he launched important movements like the Champaran movement, Kheda Satyagraha, Salt movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, etc. This shows his contribution towards the Indian independence. He was a great advocate of non-violence. One such incident which shows his support for non-violence is the Chora Chori incident. In this incident, angry demonstrators attacked police station and set fire to the police. As a result, 22 policemen were dead. Gandhi quickly stopped the non-cooperation movement as he was against any kind of violence. Apart from these, Gandhi did a lot for the society too. He launched important movements like the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which continues still now. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who spent his whole life for the nation, who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt why people refer him as the father of the nation. He commands respect not only in India but in the whole world. Our nation is proud of having such people in India. Thank you.